So hi, this is Hiren Datta. I've been a part of IB since last December.
Hello everyone, this is Ruchira Das. I've recently completed my Excel internship from IvyProSchool.
I am Shorodip Poddar and I recently took part in the Excel 10-day challenge internship conducted by Ivy Pro School.
My name is Jenny Bose and recently I took part in the 10 days Excel challenge hosted by Ivy.
So it's been a great journey till now. So I've learned many tools, Excel, Advanced Excel, Power BI, SQL, VBA, and moreover, IB focus on the thing what industry are looking for, and that's how they implement in every tool set. And this internship Excel challenge is like a very great opportunity for all of us to know about the relevant things in the industry.
I want to take this opportunity to thank Ishani ma'am and everyone at Ivy for hosting such an interesting internship come challenge for us.
It has been an amazing one, learning how industrial programs would look like in real world.
Each day a different question was posted for us and we had to solve it. And all the questions from 1 to 10, each day the level of difficulty of the questions increase.
I would like to thank Ishani ma'am, Pratik sir and all associated with the internship for conducting such a beautiful program.
It was covering from the beginners level Excel knowledge until you come to the 10-day. It has increased to advanced level Excel knowledge. So it's complete. It's covering everything.
Firstly, the Excel internship was quite challenging and each day was a bigger challenge. And one more thing about the internship was that it was time bound. So everyone had to be on their toes.
In which time we had to complete and submit it, which is very like real work life scenarios. And
Implementing Excel in different ways through different data sets was really an amazing one to know. Can't wait to use them in my future interviews and get myself a good job.
all the questions were according to industry standards. So we were solving some real life questions that we have to face in our workplace. So that was also very interesting. So
Special thank you to Ishani ma'am and Naved for being a constant support.
and through this challenge I have learned a lot.
I would again like to thank everybody associated with the internship and I would like to be a part of such internships in the future.
Thank you again for giving us this opportunity, and it was really fun, and I look forward to taking part in more challenges like this.
And wait for more internships like this. Thank you.
Thank you. I want that many this kind of internships come from the Ivy so that we can learn much better